As humans, we love to agree with people who agree with us. This confirmation bias is why we hang out with people who have similar taste and viewpoints. Individuals are more likely to pay attention to, believe, and recall information that supports what they already think or believe. In the same time, they dismiss or ignore information that contradict their existing beliefs. This is confirmation bias, a cognitive bias that refers to the tendency of people to search for, interpret, and remember information in a way that confirms their pre-existing beliefs or hypotheses. For more videos on psychology topics, please do subscribe this channel and watch other videos in this channel. Confirmation bias can have significant impact on decision making, problem solving, and the formation of opinions. Let us understand this with examples. Political beliefs. A person who strongly identifies with a particular political party. He may only watch news channels or read articles that align with their party's views, ignoring or dismissing information from opposing sources. And during an election, voters may selectively remember or emphasize information that confirms their choice of candidate, and they ignore the negative information about that candidate. This is because of cognitive comfort. People tend to feel more comfortable when their beliefs are confirmed. It reduces cognitive dissonance, which is the discomfort that arises when holding conflicting beliefs. Religious beliefs. Someone deeply committed to a religious faith may only engage with text, teachings, or communities that reinforce their beliefs, making it challenging to consider alternative perspectives. This is because of the information filtering. Individuals may unconsciously filter out information that contradict their beliefs, making it less likely for them to encounter opposing viewpoints. If we consider health and wellness, a person seeking information on the effectiveness of a particular diet may be more likely to find and remember success stories that support that diet's efficacy, while overlooking any negative experiences or scientific studies indicating otherwise. This is selective attention. People may pay more attention to information that aligns with their beliefs and ignore or downplay information that challenges them. On social media platforms, users often follow and engage with accounts or groups that share their views. Users may be quick to unfriend or unfollow people who express opposing opinions, further narrowing their exposure to diverse perspectives. This is social validation. People often seek social validation and are more likely to interact with individuals or sources that confirm their beliefs, reinforcing their biases. Confirmation bias can affect your memory, causing individuals to better remember information that support your views and forget or misremember information that contradicts them. It can lead to distorted perceptions of reality and reinforce false or unfounded beliefs. Overcoming the confirmation bias, it requires conscious effort and critical thinking. Recognizing that confirmation bias exists and being vigilant about its influence. It can help individuals make more rational and well-informed choices. Additionally, techniques like the scientific method, peer review, and fact-checking are used in various fields to mitigate the impact of confirmation bias and arrive at more accurate conclusions. For more videos on psychology, please do subscribe this channel, like, share, and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.